So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of Godrej Inverter Air Conditioner in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will go on decreasing. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 31 degrees. If you just want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, do it. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button after that is mode. The mode button has 5 functions. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode on the remote. Now the mode is cool. Now the mode is dry. Now the mode is fan. Now the mode is heat. Now the mode is auto. Now I will tell you about the modes in detail in very simple words. The next mode after that is cool. In cool mode, all the buttons on the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode, the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and sticky heat. So using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. Fan in this mode, the AC will not do cooling, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you only want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. After that, the next mode is heat. Note that if your AC supports heat mode, then only you can use heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, then you cannot use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, then you can heat your room by using heat mode in cold weather. After that, if you press the mode button again, auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own. The next button is eco. Eco mode uses less energy than other modes. Compared to normal mode, eco mode uses less compressor capacity, which uses less energy. You can save energy and money at any time or use it to cool more effectively when it's not too hot outside, meaning you won't have to worry about high electricity bills. The next button is timer. By pressing the timer button, the timer off time is displayed. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer off. In the timer, you can set the time from 1 hour to 24 hours. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically in 7 hours. So now I will set 7 hours with the temperature up and down buttons of the remote. Now I have added the timer off time in the remote. Now the timer off will be set automatically. With this button, you can only set timer off. If you want to cancel the timer, then press the power button twice, then the timer will be cancelled. After that, the next button is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that is blowing from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is in low. Right now the fan speed is in medium. Right now the fan speed is in high. Right now the fan speed is in auto. You can set the fan speed according to your requirement. You can control it. If you want to cool the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. The next button is temp. On pressing the temp button, the room temperature will be displayed on the display of the indoor unit. The next button is swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up and down. By using this swing, the cooling of the AC will spread quickly in the room. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the AC flap will stop there. And by pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. The next button after that is turbo. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes. But by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want cooling quickly, then you can use the turbo button. The room cools down very quickly in this. The next button is sleep. The sleep mode on Godrej Air Conditioner AC automatically adjusts the temperature to create a comfortable sleeping environment. This mode increases the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour for a certain period of time. This mode adjusts the temperature to compensate for the natural drop in temperature at night. This ensures that the room is not too cold and uncomfortable. This mode allows you to sleep without having to wake up to change the AC settings. This mode creates a cool, calm environment. This mode is intelligent and produces less noise. The next button is display. Pressing the display button will turn off the display of your AC, but your AC will remain on. You can use this button to turn off the display light of the AC only. The next button is blow. The blow function removes moisture from the indoor unit of the AC. This prevents the growth of harmful organisms like bacteria and viruses. This function keeps the AC clean and fresh for a longer period of time. The next function is silent. By using silent function, the fan speed of indoor unit will become very slow and AC will start running silently. The next button is iSense lock. By pressing the iSense lock button once, the iSense function will turn on. iSense is a very good feature which is made for your comfort. Generally, there is a sensor in the indoor unit itself which senses the temperature around the indoor unit, not the temperature of the place where you are sitting. If iSense function is given in some models of Godrej, then that model has two sensors. One sensor is installed in the indoor unit, and the other sensor is installed in the remote. The next button is lock. If you want to lock the remote, then press this button for 10 seconds, then the remote of your AC will be locked, due to which all the buttons of the remote will be locked. And if you want to unlock the remote, then long press this button again and the remote will be unlocked. If you have understood the information given by me, then watch my video, like and subscribe the channel.